Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Ain Wahida Ahmad Nazri, and today I would like to present about the communication in animal behavior. So, let's start.
Communication. Communication is an action on the part of one organism that alters the probability pattern of behavior in another organism which is adaptive to either one or both of the participants. Signal characteristics: discrete and graded, distance and duration, composite syntax and context. Discrete, digital, or none. Zebras communication in hostile and friendly behavior. From the figure 12.1 is raising their ears, and then graded analog mouth opening pattern vary in intensity according to strength of stimulus. Compare the mouth opening for hostile and friendly behavior in zebra. Distance and duration of signals. Smell operates at a long distance. Only a few molecules of sex distractant hormone are needed to attract a male quite far away. Visual displays require short distance. Alarm signals such as chemicals are usually local and have a rapid fade-out time. Plumage and antlers last an entire season of breeding. Some signals are shown only during the time of event, for example, when a male bird exposes and erect feathers for a female to view. The third is composite signals, syntax, and context. Two or more signals can be combined to form a composite signal with a new meaning. In zebra, the meaning of mouth opening depends if ears are erect, which is friendly, or backward, which is hostile. The fourth is meta-communication, increasing communication content, which is communication about communication. Animals use aggressive, sexual, and other displays, but they precede such behaviors by an act that communicates a message. This is the example about meta-communication in dogs. Function of communication. Group spacing and coordination. The first is distance increasing signals, then distance maintaining signals, and the third is distance reducing signals, and the fourth is proximity maintaining signals. Color patterns of corollary fish are species specific. These patterns attract conspecific and hold them together in schools. Reproduction. Receptive males or female may advertise their condition, court a member of the opposite sex for a bond, copulate, or perform post-copulatory displays, correct specific identification. For example, Drosophila. The function of communication is the first is alarm. Vocalization and chemical to alert members to danger. Among closely related species, sympathetic, those with overlap range, alarm calls differ little among species. Members of species that live together and have some predators have similar alarm calls, little diverge in alarm calls. Another function is finding food. It is one advantage of group living in increased efficiency in finding food. Its information centers follow another animal to food source. Primates and gallinaceous birds give calls when they have found food. Channel of communication. Sound. Faster transmission than chemicals. The advantage is single organ can produce sound, then travel around solid objects through dense vegetable, then transmissible in dog. Then both frequency and amplitude modulation can convey information. For sound windows, example is blue monkeys produce sound that is not affected by background noises. The channel is touch. Many invertebrates use antenna to contact with objects and other organisms. Has short range and requires physical contact. For example, insects like bees and ants use chemical and tactile signal to regulate feeding of larvae.
Then the next channel is vision. It allows receiver to locate signal precisely in space and time. For example, primates like monkeys and apes rely heavily on visual displays.